Hello folks, today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be tearing out the garden, parts of it. Here we're finishing up the beans. We picked what was left on there, just going through. Now folks, if you happen to see me making a face there when I'm looking at something, I am still trying to get used to these bifocals. I've had them for about a year now, and I still have a heck of a time working with them. There's our little girl. She's hunting her crickets. They've been jumping everywhere of the evening. She likes to go up with us when we move the chickens. Of course, the chickens in that little chicken tractor, they are absolutely loving it. They'll be standing there at the front waiting for you to pull them forward. They're watching the crickets jump. And then that way, when they get pulled forward, they start their hunt. Now, I'm not gonna lie folks, it's a whole lot more fun putting all this stuff up, just dreaming of your vegetables are growing and everything there, than getting everything put up for the winter. But it has to be done. Here we're winding up our wire that we use for the top run on our beans. We've had a few mornings in the low 30s here recently. You can see our little girl. We've got a little cable on her there just for when we're outside with her there. When we take her up in the field, we turn her loose. Lord have mercy, she can fly. But we live right there next to a busy road. Well, it's not really busy. There's just a lot of people like to see how fast they can drive up and down it. She wouldn't stand a chance if she happened to run out there. There Daniel is. He's pulling the fence post up. He's doing it by hand. I used to be young at one time also. Now I look for the easier way. Hook the backhoe to it and just pull them up. But that there's what he's wanting to do. He's able to do it good and everything. Don't break it, Dan. Ugh. Come on now. Loosen it up. There we go. Just all you gotta do is shake them, get them broke loose a little bit there. I'll help grunt for him here in a minute. A little bit more. Don't break in fence post, Dan. Yep. There it comes. Folks, I want to thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. If you think your friends may like to get a laugh or two every now and then, tell them about us. Got any questions, ask us, we'll try to answer them. If we don't know the answer, we'll try to find the answer for you. You all have a blessed day. See you next time.